Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can become a Just It driver. Watch the video till the end. To become a Just It driver, firstly open your Google search. Type in Just It apply for driver and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. Scroll down and click on Apply here. To become a Just It driver, enter your first and last name, your email address, phone number, your city or town, and then tap on Create Account. This is how you can apply for Just It driver's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.